Kahit ang mga nasa business industry ay kinikilala ang husay ng ating Chief Public Attorney bilang isang leader at public servant.
Sa katunayan, isa ang ating punong manananggol pambayan sa mga awardees ng 12th Elite Business and Leadership Awards 2024.
Narito po ang report.
We can't contain our gladness. We want to express our happiness. We're overfilled with joy today. We have a celebration for a good reason. We're done with many nights of weeping. This is our morning of rejoicing. Good vibes in the air, we truly feel. And there's the voice of the people saying, Chief Acosta, you're defending the people's rights. You keep on fighting the good fight, the justice and public service. You've dedicated your life.
Our beloved Chief Dr. Presida V. Rueda Acosta, DSD, is the recipient of the Leadership Achiever as Public Servant Platinum Award. The accolade was conferred to her at the 12th Elite Business and Leadership Awards 2024 by the Elite Business and Leadership Awards. Pao Chief Acosta received the said award at Sofitel Philippine Plaza, Manila.
Thank you very much, Elite Business and Leadership Awards, for your continued trust throughout the years. This Leadership Achiever as Public Servant Platinum Award that you are conferring to me tonight is my fourth accolade from this prestigious award-giving body. Palakpakan po natin ang Elite Business Award.
In her speech as an awardee and keynote speaker, she shared the spotlight with the people who are nearest and dearest to her heart.
Thank you for honoring me with the opportunity to be your keynote speaker tonight. Your recognition fills my heart and shines a light on the cause the Public Attorney's Office, lawyers and staff, and I uphold the plight of the poor, the poorest of the poor, the oppressed in need of justice.
She also shared her secret in upholding compassionate public service.
The secret of serving others well is not so much about technique. Rather, it is more about our character and our heart. Famous American Baptist minister and civil rights leader, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. said it is this way: everybody can be great because anybody can serve. You only need a heart full of grace, a soul generated by love, pag-ibig, puso, tunay na pagmamalasakit.
Pao Chief also highlighted that through heartfelt unity and faith in God, we can all reach and attain our success as a country.
Naniniwala ako na mula sa pusong puno rin ng pagmamahal, ang paglilingkod ninyong lahat. Hindi ako nag-iisa sa larangang ito na inyong kinabibilangan. Lahat tayo, nasa pamahalaan, nasa pamayanan, private, public, tulong-tulong tayo. Umasa tayo. Ang Pilipinas nating mahal ay mahal ng Ama sa kalangitan. Hindi niya tayo pababayaan. Maraming salamat po.
Chief Acosta, you're defending the people's rights. You keep on fighting the good fight, the justice and public service. You've dedicated your life. You're deeply touching others' lives. You're fighting the good fight. This cannot be denied. Onward and fighting.
For #Pala News, Amy Ravello, one with Pao Chief Presida Acosta, Justice Against Poverty.